What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm going to be giving y'all an early look at an original Hat Club design that is dropping next week on Tuesday. There's 5 styles I have to show y'all, and one is going to be an in-app exclusive, so make sure you watch the video all the way through. First hat that I want to show y'all is the only two-tone out of the 5 styles that will be dropping on Tuesday. It's a black crown, kind of like a cranberry color on the visor and the button on top. It's not a bright, vibrant red. It's more of a toned down, darker red. It looks really good with the black. Once again, this is a Hat Club original design. So this front logo is called the P ribbon. On the inside of the P, you can see it's red to match the visor and the button on top. The inside of the ribbon on this one is like a teal, light blue color. They complement each other well, and then you have all of that outlined in like a dark metallic gray. The side patch is also a Hat Club original design. You might have seen this side patch before on the PBJ and Bones Brims collaborations. I believe those hats did have this side patch. I think it's a good look. I like the lettering that they used for Hat Club. It's legible, but it still has like a distinct style to it. You also get that signature recognizable Hat Club logo right at the top, so that's an extra Hat Club hit right there. And at the bottom inside the ribbon, it says 1992. Of course, there's no Batterman on the back, so instead they went ahead and put this since 1992 script on the back. I'm glad they didn't just leave it empty. The P ribbon design is inspired by the pink bottom, so of course the hat is a pink bottom. You got the black guts. I think that was a great way to go with this one. And again, this is the only two-tone out of the 5 styles that are dropping on Tuesday. The next one I'm going to show y'all is this tonal black hat with yellow accents. So like I said, it's tonal, black crown, black visor, black button on top. The inside of the P logo on this one is yellow. The inside of the ribbon is white, and then everything once again is outlined in that metallic dark gray. On the side patch, they worked in the same color, so you have the metallic gray for the outline. There's also metallic gray on the inside of that Hat Club script. You have the yellow and a little bit of white as well, so good color placement. And I like the way that these colors work together: yellow, black, gray, the pink. And before I forget, these hats do have the Hat Club branding on the inside of the sweatband. Easily my second favorite out of the 5 styles is this royal blue joint. If you know, you know. I'm always picking up hats that are this shade of royal blue with the white button on top. It's just a colorway that always hits for me, kind of like that classic traditional Dodgers look. The inside of the P ribbon on this one is white, and then you have that same metallic gray to outline it. There is a hint, the smallest hint of pink inside that side patch, and it looks great. It's sandwiched in between the metallic gray and the white. It's like a little bit of pink in there. Another small detail about this one is that Hat Club lettering is actually outlined in navy. So it's not outlined in gray, it's not outlined in the same royal blue. It's actually like a navy color, so it stands out a little bit. The 1992 inside the ribbon is also navy, and that small Hat Club detail right up top, that's pink as well. Since 1992 on the back, just like all the other hats. Pink UV, black guts, and I know some of y'all are wondering out there, this hat was made in China. Next up is another black hat, but this one's not completely tonal. You can see it has the orange button on top, and that accents the orange threading that's inside the P ribbon. There's also white inside the ribbon itself, and everything is outlined in that same metallic threading. The orange really stands out in that side patch and the front logo. It pops off of that crown. Since 1992 on the back in white, pink UV, black sweatband. My favorite out of the 5 styles, my number 1 pick is gonna be this classic navy. It just gives me classic Yankees vibes, and that's why it came in at number 1. Tonal navy hat, navy on the visor, navy on the crown, navy on the button on top. The inside of that P ribbon front logo is white, but then you have that accent of pink inside the ribbon itself, all outlined in that metallic threading. It looks great. As far as original designs go, at least in my opinion, that P ribbon front logo is simple, where it's clean, but it's not overly simple to the point where it's basic, and that's why I like it. Just like on the royal blue hat, you do have the accent of pink inside the side patch. There's also some white in there. since 1992 on the back in that white script. Pink undervisor with a black sweatband, and all of the hats do have tonal New Era flags. Now, I don't know how often they plan on dropping hats with that P ribbon front logo. I think it'll be just something special that we see from time to time. But if anybody at Hat Club is taking suggestions, I would love to see a purple version, like a tonal black hat with purple accents. I think that would go crazy. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. How do y'all feel about the P ribbon, that Hat Club original side patch? Let me know. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.